how to use Match Trader. All right, a lot of you guys that are going to be trading prop firms would definitely encounter Match Trader, as not all prop firm has MT5 to trade with. So whenever you don't see the option of MT5, you have to choose, either you choose Match Trader or you choose C Trader. So C Trader will be covered in another video, but this video is dedicated to Match Trader, right? So you want to open your Match Trader. This is what Match Trader looks like, right? This video is to give you an insight of what it looks like. Now these are under the favorite. Okay, these are pairs that I trade: XAUSD, USD JPY, BTC, USD CHF, right? It could be more than this, it could be less than this when you are giving your Match Trader login details. So the first thing you want to do is you want to search for symbols like this. We have commodities, crypto, FX, indices, the popular ones, right? You can start going through all of them one after the other, and that will take a long time. So let's say you do trade USD card. All you have to do is search USD card like this. Then you favorite it by starring it. Now it's added to the favorites here, and you can trade it. Let's say you trade Euro USD, so you search Euro USD and then you favorite it as well, so you can be able to trade that particular pair. I think my Wi-Fi is having slow issues. Right, let's just continue ignoring that. All right, so okay, so here we have it, and then you start like this, and now you have Euro USD added to your favorite. Okay, this is the first thing you want to do. Now, the next thing is you want to trade, how to open a trade, how to set the limit order, either via market price or limit order. So now all these are FX, they're all FX, and you can see the market closes, it's closed already. So it opens in about 9 hours thereabout. So the only market open right now that I can use to make this video is BTC. All right, so I'm clicking BTC now because it is open. The crypto market is open 247. So now we have two types of executions, trade executions. If you've been following my videos, you should be familiar with this by now. We have the market execution and the limit execution. Automatically, whenever you open the chart, is on market execution. And when you have a pending order, it's going to draw the line. Okay, it's going to draw the line. As you can see, there is a line already on the chart because I have a pending order on BTC. So if you want to enter at market price, you just increase your lot size and then boom, you enter. If you want to enter at limit order, you switch to pending like this, and then you enter the lot size, enter the entry price at this point like this. So let's say you are looking forward to taking a long from maybe when BTC is $100,000. Now you type in $100,000 like this. Now, unlike MT5 where you have to select buy limit or sell limit, Match Trader is not like that. Just enter your entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit. It will automatically adjust if it's going to be a buy or it's going to be a sell. So now let's look at this. We still have the sell and the buy option open. Okay, so now let's say you want to enter at $100,000. That's definitely a long. Okay, and then your stop loss is going to be maybe $98,000, for example. So now when you see I put in $98,000, as you can see, it automatically makes the sell stop impossible to click on, because now that is a buy setup, and then your take profit is whatever. Now another beautiful thing about Match Trader is that it's I personally prefer Match Trader compared to MT5, and this is why. For those of you that like trading fast, scalpers and all, and you have less time to calculate your lot size or how much risk it is you are willing to risk by your trade, Match Trader really helps in this case, because as you can see, for 0.01 lot size, I input my entry price, I input my stop loss, it's already showing me how much is at risk, something MT5 does not do. Okay, until you place the order and then you go and tap on it before you know how much is at risk on MT5, or you calculate it manually. But Match Trader helps you already. So if I use 0.02 lot size, it shows I'm risking $40. 0.03 shows I'm risking $60. 0.04 shows I'm risking $80. 0.05 shows I'm risking $100 on this trade. I can literally see how much I'm risking on this trade before I even execute it. This is a very, 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 very beautiful something to have. It's mainly crypto exchanges, like Bybit, Binance, Mexi. Those are the ones that have these features. MT5 doesn't. So this is the reason why I personally prefer using Match Trader over MT5 as someone who came from the crypto market. Okay, I started trading crypto first before I moved to Forex. So, like I said also, let's try shorting. So let's say let's clear all this like this, and then let's go for a limit order. And then, like I said, it's going to adjust if it's buy or long. Now let's look at it. If I'm just blabbing or something, seeing is believing, right? So 110, let's say we want to enter at 110, and then our stop loss is going to be 112. That's a short position. 112. As you can see, it automatically blurs out or makes the buy position impossible to click, and only the sell limit, because there is no other explanation for it. Yeah, you're entering at 110. Your stop loss is at 112, which is above 110. So that is definitely a sell. And then you can see with this, it also shows the value at risk. Okay, if you want to risk $100, which is like 1% of this account, this is a $10,000 prop account. This is not a demo account, it's a prop account. So I won't be executing any trades on it because of some certain rules and all. So this is market price. If you want to enter the current market price, it's the same thing. So if you want to, let's clear this. So let's say you want to short at the current market price, for example, or you want to long at the current market price. All you need to do is just input your stop loss first. So once you input your stop loss, it's definitely going to show you how much is at risk. So let's say your stop loss is at 103k, for example, and you want to go long from here. So 103. As you can see, immediately I put 103. With the current market price, is showing me that I'm going to be risking $8.84 on this trade. So if I increase it, increase it, increase it, increase it, you know, it's showing me how much is at risk, and then you just automatically place buy. I won't be doing that, and it will automatically begin your trade. Understand? So it's as simple as that. It's, to me, it's much more simpler than match trader, and much more, has more advanced features than match trader, especially the aspect of calculating your risk per trade before executing the trade. That's the best option, or the beautiful thing I love about match trader over MetaTrader. But obviously MetaTrader is way, way more popular and more generally used than match trader. But if you are taking a prop firm challenge and you don't see MT5, which you must have been used to, just go for Match Trader. This is a very explanatory tutorial video about it. Very easy, nothing so difficult to do with it. And I wish you good luck in your Forex journey, your trading journey, whatever it is. Uh, if this video was of any value to you, you grabbed something, you grabbed kind of value from this video, then the only favor you can do me is by hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.